All right, so in this bag, I actually have the most expensive pair of sneakers that I've ever paid for in my entire life thus far. Over 1,000 pairs bought, and this is the most expensive one. Let's go ahead and show you guys what I picked up and why. What's going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. Today, I cannot believe I'm showing you guys this pair of sneakers in this bag. First of all, I can't believe I got them. And second of all, I can't believe I got them. So without waiting any further, let's go ahead and show you guys what is in the bag. So as you can see, we have an Air Jordan 1 box. And this is a pair of sneakers that you guys are going to be like, what the heck? We already know you got these, but we'll show you guys anyway. So this is what I ended up getting. And at first glance, you guys are like, why would this be the most expensive pair that you bought? Hess just got these for retail. We already saw ComplexCon vlogs. And if you didn't see the ComplexCon vlogs already, then you guys will know I already did score a pair of these for retail. But it ended up happening 2 pairs of these in 1 week. But this is a little bit of a special pair because this is not your standard pair of Air Jordan 1 Off-Whites. I'll show you guys, it does come with, so that's 4 sets of laces, purple, orange, blue, and black, along with the ones that came with the shoes in white. I know some of you guys are looking at the shoe going, something's a little bit off about that one. And that is where this gets really, really interesting. So as you can see from this box, this is not just a regular pair. This is actually the sample of the Air Jordan 10 in the white colorway. And I don't even know what to say. I mean, I cannot believe I ended up getting a sample pair of these. And I will do a comparison. If you guys want to see a comparison between these and the real things are on the way. And I will be doing that video if you guys want. So leave a comment or a thumbs up on this video and let me know you guys want to see a comparison between the samples and the real ones. But the number one thing that I see right off the bat that's different is this. The Wings logo is gray on my sample pair, and the retail pair, this is just white. So that's the primary difference that I've noticed on these 2 shoes so far, but I've only looked at pictures. I haven't seen the real ones in hand. So I ended up paying $1,400 for these, which is a crazy amount of money for myself, at least. These are crazy, and they're just like kind of unicorns in a sense because of them being samples and a little bit different. Plus, this is the Europe exclusive anyways. These ones never dropped in the US. But again, this is a shoe that I ended up getting, and the most expensive one that I ever paid for to get into my collection. And the craziest thing about these is that I could have got them 100% free. I actually ended up turning down a DJ gig where I would have got these as well as 2 other pairs and a small payment for free for doing the gig, and I ended up again turning it down because I chose family over the gig. But I ended up sending my homie over to DJ the gig instead, and he got the payments. Once I saw these, I was like, no way, dude, I cannot believe they gave you those for payment. That is crazy. And he was going to cut me like a crazy deal on them, like just really give me a pair for free because I got him the gig, but I wasn't going to pull a fast one on him. He gave me a really good deal for it, honestly, because I know this resale of these are over $2,000 really right now, so he gave me a pretty decent deal on them. But these are the samples of the retail pairs, so they're going to be worth a little bit more than the retail pairs in general. All in all, it's a cool looking shoe when the opportunity presents itself, and the fact that I was so salty because I actually could have got these for free. And then it ended up, that DJ gig, by turning it down, ended up costing me over $1,000 in the long run because I wanted these in my collection so bad. But these things are crazy to me, and like I just think that it was a great opportunity that I could not pass up on. So I just went ahead and pulled the trigger and paid my buddy to get a pair of these. So as you can see, it just says Off-White for Nike, Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. You can see it says 85 on this side. And on this side underneath, let's see what the other one says. Yeah, 85s on these ones too. I like the tongue has a sideways tag on it right there. But you guys have seen the Off-White ones a lot. Real pairs, fake pairs, everything in between, I'm sure. This is like an actual Off-White pair, though you can see the midsole is Off-White and with the Air on the side. But pretty cool looking shoe. I think this is the coolest details of the shoe with the suede and the hits of orange and blue. Just adds a little bit of pop to the shoe. But something that I didn't know that actually was on the shoe until I got these in hand was there's like some hyperfuse down the center here, and then there's actually a hyperfuse stripe down here also. So and then actually on this side as well. So I didn't even know that was there, but pretty cool looking nonetheless. But that is what I ended up getting, the most expensive pair that I've ever paid for. What is the most expensive pair of shoes that you guys have ever paid for? Leave some comments in the comment section. Curious to see what you guys have gone out on a limb for. But I think all in all, I had a great come up on this, even though I paid as much as I did, because obviously the resale of the retail pairs are still higher than what I paid. And then on top of that, this is just a crazy sample. So really, really dope. But shout out to the homie that actually hooked me up with these and let me buy them from him. And man, I'll never ever turn down one of those gigs again, because it would have been an epic come up to be able to DJ this gig. It was an event in Beaverton, Oregon. Go figure if that gives you any indication of what type of event it was that I turned down. And man, I'll try to never do that again. But a huge come up nonetheless. But that is the video. I just wanted to show you guys what I ended up swooping up. If you guys want to see a comparison between these and the retail pair, again, leave a thumbs up on this video and let me know. And also, again, leave some comments. What is the most expensive shoe you bought, or what is the most expensive shoe that you'd actually want to buy? I still can't believe I got these things in my hands. It's just nuts. And I'm excited to be able to rock these at maybe Complex Con next year or something like that. But anyway, that's the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to the channel. Notification bell if you want to be notified of when the videos go live. And we will catch you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.